Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. Today I am going to show you the simplest and easy way of cleaning the glass hob and chimney. As these inbuilt hobs generally come with auto ignition and complicate designs, I would suggest not to use any harsh chemicals and sharp tools on them. Daily proper care and occasional deep cleanings can keep your hob and chimney always sparkling clean and maintenance free. So let's get started. To clean hob and chimney, we are going to use only dish liquid soap, which is easily available in all the houses. For deep cleaning, we are going to use white vinegar, which is also easily available, and a spray bottle. Along with these, we need some cleaning tools like microfiber cloth, different types of scrub pads such as one with sponge, regular scrub pad, and steel scrub for stubborn stains, old toothbrushes, small and big, and paper towels. For daily cleaning, just take a spray bottle and fill it up with 3/4 part water and add 3 or 4 spoons of dish liquid in it. Shake it well and your daily cleaning solution is ready. Now first, switch off the equipment and unplug it. As you can see, there are few spills and oil splashed all over the hob. What we will do first is spray the solution nicely all over. Don't pour the solution, but just sprinkle it. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. If your pan supports and burners are dirty with spills, then just dip them in hot water with some dish liquid soap. Otherwise, you can skip this step and do it only when needed, maybe just twice a week. Dish liquids are mainly meant to remove or clean the dishes with full of fat and oil. So, there is nothing better than dish soap to clean the hob. They are degreasers in nature. While the cleaning solution is working to lose the stubborn stains of food and degreasing, let's start cleaning the chimney. Home chimneys are meant to absorb the food odor and smoke while preparing the food. Lot of oil and dust get accumulated in their filters, making them sticky. So on everyday basis, just do some basic cleaning. Take a paper towel and wipe the exterior of the filters to remove all the excess oil. Spray liquid solution on the microfiber cloth and wipe all over. Also clean the lamps gently. Again spray some solution on the cloth and clean the digital panel or buttons if you have. Do not spray the liquid directly on it. Also do not forget to clean the top part, which becomes dusty in due course. Always start dusting from the very top, then slowly come down. Also, if you have top cupboards on the sides of the chimney, give them a wipe too to remove all the oil stains. After 5 minutes, you can see dry spills on the hob become wet and loosen out. We can start cleaning it now. On the glass, we should use only sponge to avoid scratches. On the plates, rough side of scrub can be used to remove stubborn burns and stains. Lot of burnt food get accumulated in the corners and become sticky. So to remove that, use old toothbrush. Spray some solution on the brush and start cleaning. Be careful with igniter or spark plug. It can be damaged with hard cleaning. Sometimes food also goes inside this burner body and is hard to clean. Small toothbrush can be handy this time. Take a brush dipped in solution and start scrubbing inside, and then just clean it out with the cloth. Burn marks are normal, so do not try to do the hard cleaning, which can damage the burners. Also give a scrub to the most ignored part, which is gas hob control knobs. They need cleaning too. Once the scrubbing is done, take a dry cloth and wipe off all the solution. Now give a rinse to the pan supports and burners. Use a scrub pad or metal brush to clean the spills. Leave them to dry or wipe them with a dry cloth. Place back all the parts of the hob and that's it. Your hob and chimney are sparkling clean. Now for deep cleaning, which can be done once a month, take all the parts of the burners and put them in a small pan or bucket. Now take a bottle of white vinegar and hot water and pour 50-50. The amount of liquid should be able to soak all the parts. Now leave this for overnight. Same way, remove the filters of the chimney which have become greasy and full of oil and dirt and soak them in hot water and dish liquid solution for overnight in the sink or in any flat bucket. A lot of you asked me in a kitchen designing video that why I have such a small sink near to the hob and how do I wash utensils in that. So the water connection and point were provided by the builder here only, and we didn't want to do the major plumbing work of changing the position of it. So utilize this sink only for small cleanings, washing hands and to wash vegetables while cooking. We have this separate utility area and sink at the back of the kitchen for washing utensils. Now let's come back to the cleaning. Next morning you will see that a lot of grease and oil have already come out from the filters. Now just scrub it nicely. Just fold the scrub like this, it will be easy to clean inside. If required, use a toothbrush for inner corners. Rinse thoroughly and they have become as shiny as mirror. Now let's move to the burners which we have soaked in vinegar and hot water solution for overnight. Now I am sure you can see the difference. Last night the burners were burnt and black. Now they are a bit yellow. Now you just have to scrub them a bit with regular scrubber and dish soap and rinse them thoroughly. See, they have retrieved their own color and shine. The vinegar has removed all the black burn stains from the burners. After drying, place everything back. You don't need expensive and harsh chemicals for these kind of simple cleanings. If you clean your hob and chimney on regular basis, they don't require much maintenance. The same rule is applicable for other appliances. Little bit of discipline and your cleaning habits can make a difference and make your life easy. We have been using this hob and chimney for last 4 months. Do let us know in the comment section if you want us to review this product. Thank you for watching Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.